Number first, who is Delio? Delio is a courtier who tries to woo Julia based on a historical character of the same name. His purpose is to be the sounding board for his friend Antonio. He acts as a narrator and is privy to the secret of Antonio's marriage and children. Number 2, who is Bojala? Bojala is the villain in the Duchess of Malfi. Number 3, what kind of man is Bojala? Bojala is a lustful, greedy, proud, bloody and spiteful man. Number 4, on whom is the character of Bojala based? The character of Bojala is based on the historical Daniele di Bojolo. Number 5, who is Ferdinand? Ferdinand was the Duke of Calabria and twin brother of the Duchess. Number 6, who is the Duchess? Answer, she is the protagonist, sister to Ferdinand and the Cardinal. Number 7, who is Julia? Julia is Castruccio's wife and the Cardinal's mistress. Number 8, how does Julia die? Julia dies at the Cardinal's hand from a poisoned Bible. Number 9, what is Malfi? Malfi is a dukedom in Italy. Number 10, whom do the madmen include? The madmen include the mad astronomer who lost his mind when his prediction of the apocalypse proved incorrect, the mad doctor who lost his mind due to jealousy, the mad priest and the mad lawyer. Number 11, who is the cardinal? Answer, the Duchess and Ferdinand's elder brother, the Cardinal of Aragon, represent cold and calculated evil in contrast to his hot-tempered brother. He is a Machiavellian character using the power of his position to torture and counter the Duchess. Ultimately, he loses his ability to control events and he is killed by Bojala. Number 12, who is Antonio? Antonio Belgona is the steward of the Duchess' household. She falls in love with him and they secretly wed, managing to keep this hidden from her brothers and Bojala. Number 13, how does Cariola die? Cariola dies tragically by strangling following the murder of the Duchess and the youngest children. Number 14, who is Julia? Julia is the cardinal's mistress and Castruccio's wife. She is also wed by Delio and later falls in love with Bojala. Bojala uses her as an unwitting tool to force a confession for the Duchess' death from the cardinal, after which the cardinal poisoned her. Number 15, who is Castruccio? Castruccio is a courtier under Ferdinand and Julia's older husband. He presents the cuckolded foal. Number 16, to which did Antonio compare a king's coat? Antonio compares a king's coat to a fountain. Number 17, what did Bojala do for the cardinal? Bojala committed a notorious murder and the rumor was that the cardinal did indeed commission him to do it. Number 18, to what does Bojala compare the cardinal and Ferdinand? Bojala compares the two brothers two plum trees that grow bending over some poles. Number 19. Who was Tantalus? In Greek mythology, Tantalus was the king of Lydia, who was punished for betraying the secret of the gods by being immersed in water up to his chin. How is the fate of Bozella similar to that of Tantalus? Tantalus is a man entertaining a hope that remains unfulfilled forever. Similarly, Bozella desires of getting reward for the cardinal remains unfulfilled. So Bozella's fate is similar to that of Tantalus. Number 21. Who was Ismail? Ismail was the son of Abraham and the maid servant Hajar. At the age of 15, he was cast out of Abraham's household. Question 22. What sort of person or ruler is Ferdinand? Ferdinand is a corrupt person or ruler. He pretends to sleep in the law court so that offenders may become careless in their statements. If the offenders commit careless mistakes in their statements, he takes the chance to punish them. Number 23. Who was the Duke of Calabria? Ferdinand was the Duke of Calabria. Number 24. Who is a melancholy church official in the Diocese of Malfi? The Cardinal is a melancholy church official in the Diocese of Malfi. Number 25. Why could not the Cardinal rise to the position of a Pope? Instead of rising to the position of a Pope through virtuous living, he used bravery as his means of his rising up, so he did not get his office. Why does Ferdinand offers gold to Bozella? Answer. Ferdinand offers gold to Bozella to carry out his order to do what he wants him to do. Number 27. Why does Bozella refuse to take the gold coins offered by Ferdinand? Bozella refused to take the gold coins offered by Ferdinand because if he takes the gold coins, he has to do some devilish deed. Number 28. What reasons do Ferdinand and the Cardinal put forth against the Duchess' second marriage? Answer. The reason Ferdinand and the Cardinal put forth against the Duchess' second marriage are: she is a widow. Number 2. She is a royal blood and has the duty to her rank. Number 3. The second marriage expresses a luxurious nature. 29. Why does Ferdinand compare the Duchess' court to a pasture land? Ferdinand compares the Duchess' court to a pasture land because the atmosphere of her court is full of temptations and there are many opportunities for sex indulgence. Number 30. Why does Ferdinand show the Duchess his father's dagger? Ferdinand shows the Duchess his father's dagger in order to threaten her that he will use it if she does not keep her lust under control. Number 31. The Duchess. On what pretext does the Duchess give Antonio her wedding ring? The Duchess says that one of Antonio's eyes appears to be sore. She gives him her ring and says that the ring is very effective remedy for sore eyes. Number 32. Whose ring does the Duchess give Antonio? Answer. The Duchess gave him the ring which her first husband gave her at the time of her wedding. 33. What had the Duchess vowed about the ring? The Duchess had taken a vow never to give the ring to anybody except to her second husband. 34. Why, according to the Duchess, high-born ladies are in an unfortunate position? Answer. The Duchess tells Antonio that high-born ladies are in an unfortunate position in the matter of love-making because they do have freedom of making love to anybody as the common people have. Society imposes upon them many restrictions which they cannot violate. "35. Why is the Duchess forced to take the initiative in courting? The Duchess is forced to take the initiative in courting because an ordinary man cannot venture to woo a lady of high status. 36. How does Bozala satirizes ladies' fondness for cosmetics? Answer. Seeing an old lady, Bozala satirizes ladies' fondness for cosmetics. He compares their toilet rooms to that of a witch because just as the witches use various kinds of foul and poisonous substances such as serpent's fat, snakes, eggs, saliva of Jews, and the dung of their children, etc. So also ladies of fashion use various kinds of dirty and foul substances such as rug, cream, plaster, etc. as cosmetics. 37. How does Bozala become sure that the Duchess is pregnant? When Bozala gives her some apricot, she eats them very greedily. The Duchess just finished the apricots and they are making her stomach feel uneasy. It makes her feel sick. This shows that the Duchess is pregnant. 38. What is apricot? Apricot is a sort of fruit. How does Bozala get the horoscope of the child? Answer. After Bozala and Antonio fight, Antonio flies, dropping the horoscope of the child by mistake, and Bozala gets it. How many children did the Duchess give birth to? The Duchess gave birth to 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. 41. How does Ferdinand react at the news of the Duchess' childbirth? At the news of the Duchess' childbirth, Ferdinand grows crazy with anger and shouts out his anger in spite of the cardinal's advice to show restraint. Further, he curses the Duchess brashly, describing her as a strumpet. 42. Why cannot Ferdinand identify the Duchess' husband overhearing her talking? Ferdinand cannot identify the Duchess' husband because in her talking she does not mention the name of her husband. 43. On what ground does the Duchess dismiss Antonio from her service? The Duchess dismisses Antonio on the ground that Antonio has falsified her account and failed to repay a loan which she had taken from some Jews at Naples. 44. Why does the Duchess reveal the identity of her husband to Bozala? As Bozala praises Antonio, she trusts him, and as a result she tells him that Antonio is the father of her 3 children. 45. What is Lady of Loreto? Loreto is a place 15 miles away from Ancona. There is a relic, the Holy House, believed to be that of Virgin Mary. 46. Whom does Antonio take with him when he fled to Milan? When Antonio fled to Milan, he takes his eldest son with him. Who arrests the Duchess? Bozala arrests the Duchess in disguise, wearing a mask on his face. 48. Where does Bozella take the Duchess after arresting her? After arresting her, Bozella takes her to her palace. 49. Why does Ferdinand visit the Duchess in a dark room? Answer. Ferdinand visit the Duchess in a dark room because he had vowed never to see her again. 50. Number. What makes the Duchess think that Antonio and the children are dead? After Ferdinand left, the Duchess sees the wax figures behind a curtain that appears to her to be Antonio and the children dead. Number 51. Who has made the wax figures of Antonio and his children? Vincentio Lariola has made the wax figure of Antonio and his children. How many madmen does Ferdinand send to the Duchess? Ferdinand sends 8 madmen to the Duchess. How do the madmen torture the Duchess? The madmen torture the Duchess by singing and dialoguing. '54. What excuse does Carola makes to save her life? To save her life, Carola makes 3 excuses. She is betrothed to a young gentleman and have to get married to him. Number 2, she has not confessed her sins to any priest for the last 2 years. She is pregnant. 55. Where is the Duchess buried? The Duchess is buried next to the Cardinal's house. 56. Who steps Antonio? Bozella steps Antonio. 57. Why does Bozella steps Antonio? Bozella wants to kill the Cardinal, but he steps Antonio, taking him for the Cardinal. 58. Mentioned the literary period of John Webster, Jacobean period. 59. Who is Carola? Carola is the Duchess' maid and confidant. What is Ancona? Number 61. Ancona is a city-state in Italy. 62. Who witnesses the Duchess remarries? Carola, the Duchess, waiting woman and privy to her secret witnesses, the Duchess remarries. 63. What was the parting request from the Duchess to Carola? When she is going to be strangled, the Duchess requests Carola to take care of her children. The Duchess tells her that it is Carola's duty to look after her children, to take care for and to cure her boys cold by some syrup, and to teach the girl to say her prayer before she goes to sleep. 64. Why did Bozella give some apricots to the Duchess? Bozella gives the Duchess some apricots to be sure whether she is pregnant or not. 65. What kind of play is the Duchess of Malfi? The Duchess of Malfi is a tragedy.